Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to talk about something because I think this is a huge opportunity for people to get into, to make some really good money by becoming a React/blockchain front-end developer. It's not actually as difficult as it seems, and I'm trying to prove it by doing it myself. I have been learning this for about 2 weeks, and what I'm about to show you I thought would take me a lot longer to learn. Okay, and I mean years, and it's only been 2 weeks. And I will preface, how do you even say that in English? Preface this by saying that it's like when you build a house, okay, you don't do it with your hands from scratch. You use cement mixers, you use hammers, you use electric screwdrivers, whatever the hell, okay? It's the same with programming. All the tools are already made. We just have to learn how to use the tools, and yeah, you're just basically putting tools together. I will say now, YouTube videos such as this one here, okay, by TheItalianDev, huge shout out. I'll leave a link to this exact video. If you want to get into this, I recommend following this video from start to finish. It could take 12 hours. It took me 5 hours to get to here, okay? But it's worth it because people will pay for what I am now going to show you. Just remember that. Also, this is just me at the beginning, okay? There's still a lot of room for growth. But if I press login with Metamask, okay, and I can add a login with Phantom Wallet for Solana and, Wallet Connect and whatever it might be. It doesn't have to be Metamask, but let's just stick with Metamask for now, okay? I'm gonna press sign here. That then changes to the app, which this could be app.incomestreamsurfer.com, for example, okay? This is the way that React works. And so far what I've set up, I've just set up a couple of things. This has remembered my username, so I actually gave it a username. I'm probably going to use nickname instead of username, so I'll put like Hamish, and then I'll change my name. Sometimes doesn't work. I think it's because of LastPass. Oh, now the whole thing's bugging out. It was working before, I promise you. Hamish, hang on. Okay, there we go. Then if I press log out and then log back in, this is the really cool thing. Okay, this kind of stuff takes years to learn to do from scratch, but because of software development kits, we can just put the things together. It's remembered my name, which is really cool. This is my wallet address. If I click on my Metamask, you'll see that it will match. Doesn't match. Wait, what? Is this a different, hello? What? Oh, okay, there it is, yeah. That's really weird. I must have accidentally signed with the other wallet. Okay, if I click on balance, I've only added my REC20 tokens, but I can add like ETH, and then I can add Matage, ETH, etc. And instead of this emoji, I can put the ETH icon. And then over here, I could have Solana tokens, and then, eventually I could be adding price graphs so that you can see how much your asset is growing and things like that. So that's what I'm kind of envisioning in my mind. I'd love to, even just for myself, I'd love to have a personalized dashboard that I made that I can use to track everything. I'm going to show you how it's actually tracking everything. For now, that's all I've got to show you because, yeah, it took me a long time just to get to this point, and then for some reason my transaction one wasn't working, but I'll hit that tomorrow and make sure I get it working. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I want to talk a little bit about how I am doing this, and it's thanks to Moralis and also just general Web3 kind of stuff. It's really cool. This is actually what a decentralized app is. It's the ability to log in with a wallet which has none of my personal information whatsoever. It's completely anonymous, and you can add a profile if it doesn't have to be anonymous. You can add profiles if you want, but yeah, I just think that's really cool. So what is Moralis? Let me just log in. I have so many Moralis accounts, it's absolutely ridiculous. I'm thinking of doing their academy. I need to wake up my server. Your server will be kept. To avoid this in the future, please upgrade to a paid plan. Okay. Yeah, so basically this is the back end. And if I go on view details, Okay, so if I just, you can look here, number of users 3, and each one of these is stored by their wallet. You can either use personal information or you can just use their wallet. You could give them an email sign up. You can do all of these different things with Moralis. It's super, super exciting to see, and I think I might actually do their academy. Their YouTube channel is amazing. Oh God, sorry. Definitely check out their YouTube channel, although it is all quite surface level because they just have so many different topics to cover. Some of their stuff is really, really in depth, some of it's surface level. You'll see what I mean. But yeah, the plan is to make a personalized dashboard. I'm also doing it for the business that I'm working for, just mainly learning for those reasons. I wanted to quickly show you guys something that I thought was really, really funny. So when I originally I made this video already, but I messed something up, so I started it again. And I was saying, oh, look how responsive the website is. Look how beautiful and responsive. And then I got down to Nest Hub, and just today they've added this border, okay? So this is the safe line, looks fine, no problem. Nest Hub Max, not a problem, not an issue. They've gone and added the Galaxy Fold. Are you serious? This is what programmers have to deal with, and I don't even have to deal with this because this is not a big issue for me. I can just work out what the problem is, kind of thing, although it is a bit of an issue because you can't see the... Yeah, okay, it is a bit of an issue. So I'll probably have to turn this into a sidebar, or I don't even know. But think about that. This was not here today. When I was at work today, this wasn't here. This is brand new. How annoying is that? Another thing I am curious of is whether this has... It doesn't have to, because this is about building apps. So the page speed is not really that important, to be honest with you. It's important, but it's not that important, because if you make an app like Jasper or whatever it might be, then it doesn't matter too much if it's a little bit slow, especially on mobile, thinking about it, because most people are going to be using it on their computer. Interestingly, this PWA isn't lighting up, and someone who I trust very, very much told me to have a look at PWA. PWA is Progressive Web Apps. Web App Manifesto Server do not meet the installability requirement. I want to have a look at this, and I think I'm going to try and turn it into a PWA, just because it would probably give me bonus SEO points. Okay, so just a bit of a different video today, guys. I wanted to show you what I'm actually working on, and the reason there haven't been that many videos except recently with the SEO course that I'm releasing. It's mainly because I've been working on this. I will tell you now, this may look simple and easy. This took me 60 hours to fully understand what I was doing, if that makes sense. I had to really struggle through everything. I would highly recommend TheItalianDev for that reason, for that video that I will link in the description. Super, super helpful. Yeah, check this out, guys. Check out Web3 development, because I think it's going to be big, and I am looking to do some freelancing work or part-time work in England or something. We'll see what happens. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope this inspires some people to get involved with Web3 development, and peace out.